What solar modules are we taking into 2025? The solar market is evolving fast, and we're here today to dive deeper into our solar module offering in 2025, breaking down their specs, efficiency, and whether they're worth your hard-earned cash. From high wattage workhorses to the sleekest in solar roofing materials, we've got you covered, so let's jump in. Starting off strong with REC, an amazing manufacturer that Good Faith Energy has worked with for a while now. The REC Alpha Pure RX 460 watt, a solar module with a high efficiency designed to maximize production for residential and commercial applications. There is a 25-year product and performance warranty guaranteeing at least 92% of the original output after 25 years. Exclusive to REC certified solar professional companies, REC offers the 25x3 Pro Trust warranty. Key features. These are the main key features that are good to know about the 460. There's a slightly higher efficiency with an efficiency rating of up to 22.6%. And the microinverter compatibility gives the module's lower 9 amp current compatibility with a broader range of microinverters, offering flexibility and potential cost savings during installation. Performance warranty. The modules are guaranteed to retain at least 92% of their original output after 25 years with a degradation rate of 0.25% per year following an initial 2% reduction in the first year. This covers product defects, power production, and labor replacement. And don't forget about our 10-year workmanship warranty. Special features. Heterojunction cell technology, or HJT, combines crystalline silicon thin film layers to enhance efficiency and reduce power loss due to light-induced degradation. REC is the world leader in HJT cell technology, which offers two key benefits to homeowners over the competition. More energy in the hot summer months compared to traditional solar panels, and more power over time due to lower degradation. Gapless cell layout. Innovative design increases the active area, capturing more sunlight and boosting power density to an impressive 20.6 watts per square foot. And the advanced cell connection technology utilizes multiple thin wire for an improved current flow, eliminating the need for soldering and reducing the risk of cell damage or microcracks. And the robust frame design features support bars that protect cells and glass from bending under loads, allowing the panel to withstand extreme conditions of up to 7,000 PA. REC boasts 35mm hail resistance, which is higher than most panels on the market. Aesthetic appeal. The full black variant offers a sleek, uniform appearance, enhancing the visual integration with various roof types. Next, we look at the Meyer Burger 390 watt solar panel. Switching over from the REC, we will look at the German-made Meyer Burger 390 watt panel, which combines advanced technology with elegant design. This module has a power output of 390 watts and an efficiency of 21.2%, ensuring a high energy yield. Cell technology. This module has 120 half cells utilizing heterojunction technology similar to the REC module with a smart wire connection technology for enhanced performance and durability. The design is a sleek, all-black appearance with black anodized aluminum frame and black backsheet suitable for various architectural roof styles. Durability. Tempered 3.2mm solar glass with anti-reflective coating built to withstand harsh environmental conditions, and a warranty product and performance warranty reflecting industry-leading confidence and longevity. This module is an excellent choice for those seeking a combination of high efficiency, aesthetic appeal, and currently at a great price point for its value. Now, things are changing around here, and if you want an American-made product, we also have that. We are back to offering a module from Mission Solar, and not only are they made here in the US, but right here in the state of Texas in San Antonio. Everything's bigger in Texas, including solar modules, and this one is a beast. It's a 410 watt monocrystalline module designed to thrive in extreme conditions, hailstorms, high winds, and even heavy snow loads, which sounds kind of familiar, doesn't it? The key specifications. This module has a power output of 410 watts, an efficiency of about 20.1%, and Mission Solar uses a PTC rating, which is one of the highest among the US-made modules and great for real-world performance. This module has a durability of 5,400 PA snow load, 4,000 PA wind load, and a hail rating of 55 millimeters. What makes this module stand out is that high PTC rating. Most manufacturers advertise their STC rating, which is perfect lab conditions, but Mission Solar boasts a PTC rating that is one of the highest in the industry, meaning it performs better in real-world conditions. So, should you buy it? If you want a tough, reliable, American-made module with solid efficiency and warranty support, Mission Solar is a great pick. And finally, we love the luxury all-in-one option, the Tesla Solar Roof Tiles. Unlike standard modules, the Tesla Solar Roof replaces your entire roof with glass solar tiles mixed with architectural-grade steel roofing tiles. The upside? A seamless look that produces power. It's a luxury product. Solar roof systems are usually 3 to 4 times the cost of a shingle roof. So let's break these tiles down and see what makes them so special. Durability. These tiles have a Class 4 hail resistance, Class F wind rating, and Class A fire rating, and have a warranty of 25 years. Should you buy it? If you want the most beautiful, power, and secure roof and solar system possible, the Tesla Solar Roof is definitely the way to go, and one heck of a solid statement piece. So there you have it, the best solar modules we're bringing into 2025. The REC Alpha Pure RX 460 watt cutting edge efficiency with HJT cells, the Mission Solar 410 watt panel, American made and tough as nails, or the Tesla Solar Roof, the sleekest, most integrated solar system. Which one's your favorite? Let me know in the comments, and if you're looking for a solar system tailored to your home, hit that subscribe button and visit goodfaithEnergy.com for a free consultation. And I'll see you guys in the next video.